Here's how you can make money walking in the 21st century. And I want to specifically explain how I make money taking walks on a daily basis, just like I am now. And the key consideration here is time and also consistency. And when I say consistency, what I mean is most people don't have the consistency to continue onward on a specific path. Most people, they give up after a year or 2 years of trying something, or even less most of the time, to be honest. And they will give up completely on that venture which they've set out on within the first 6 months. And so the first thing you need to think about is if you're going to focus on a specific task, such as getting paid to walk, like I am right now, because you guys are viewing my video, literally. That's the only reason, is why, because you guys are watching this video as I'm taking a walk. And even if this only gets 100 views, I'm still going to make something. Okay, so I want you to understand that this is a process, but most people don't have the process ability to see something through until the end. And the problem is when you're so short-term focused that you just want to make money super quickly and you're not thinking about the long-term implications of what you're doing, then you're going to have a short-term mindset. And a short-term mindset is always destructive because you're focused on getting rich in the short term. Well, most of the time, that doesn't work out. Now, maybe it does some of the time, but I would say a majority of the time it does not. So when we're thinking about me right now as a monetized YouTube partner, the only reason I can get paid for taking a walk right now and you guys watching this video is because I'm a monetized YouTube partner. Now, if the video doesn't get any views, then I will make a lot less. If the video gets 10 views, I will make very little, maybe a penny. If it gets, or a dime, if it makes 1,000 views, then maybe I'll get paid, I don't know, 10 or 20 bucks. If it gets, 10,000 views, I'll get paid however much is worth 10,000 views. So you get the idea, but it's all about advertising revenue. It's all about how you can get paid for making content. If you want to make content that is valuable to your audience and you want to get paid for it, it really is as simple as consistency. And consistency is one of those things that, like I said, a lot of people don't have consistent behaviors that will result in a long-term outcome. And so it's the short-term mindset along with the lack of consistency that stops most people. And what I'll tell you is that in my own journey, I've just received my first 5 customers for this website and for this brand that I'm building. And 5 customers might not seem like a lot. 5 recurring customers that are, if they stay subscribed, are worth $84 per year. And for daily investment advice in particular, this brand that I'm building, $84 times 5 is $300 in a year. Not much. But the thing is, this is all about long-term vision. And ultimately, it may not seem like a lot, but it will result in a significant amount over the long term. And that's my goal, is I'm laying the foundation, because right now my business might only earn $150, $200 a month. Okay, cool. If that's the case, I want to build a business that is worth even more than that. I want to build a business that is worth $10,000 a month. So my thing is, I'm already built a business that can generate a couple $100 a month doing nothing, taking a walk, making a video in the park like I am right now. I want to build that business from $200 a month to $10,000 plus per month. And it may not seem like a lot, but when you have 5 customers and you also have advertising revenue on YouTube, and you've already built the brand, you've already built 13,000 subscribers, you want to grow to that next level, what is your next objective? Well, I think you just need to double down on what you're doing. And that's where so many people get lost because they think, well, I've put so much time into this and I'm not seeing the results that I want to. And when it comes to seeing the results that you want to see, you're gonna have to double down. You're gonna have to say, this is what I want to do. And I'm gonna even go further into this, as crazy as it feels. Even though I'm not seeing the results that I want, even though I'm not getting where I want to be at the moment, I'm gonna go through the pain of somebody telling me, run and don't stop. You know, somebody telling me, start something, but there's no end in sight. You know, there's no end in terms of where this could go. And yet you're being told, run. You know, and so like with a marathon at least, there's a finish line. There's no finish line when it comes to entrepreneurship. There's no finish line when it comes to building a business. And I think that's what so many people forget, is that when you are by yourself, isolated, and you are still willing to come out and do what it takes, or, you know, do whatever is necessary to make a living, you know, to make a business out of what you're doing, and to persist, even in the midst of, you know, rejection and adversity and people who don't value the product or service that you're building, and you still come out and you still do it. You know, there's something to be said about that. There's something to be said about somebody who wakes up at 3 a.m. in the morning. And I've done this before, and I continue to do so because I wake up early for work anyway. But, you know, to get online and to start building that brand, you know, when, even though you don't feel like it, even though I wake up at 3 in the morning, I don't feel like going to the gym. I don't feel like going to do something productive. I don't feel like, you know, going to hit up cold leads on LinkedIn that I probably will not convert to customers. But I'm going to do it because I have to, because ultimately that's the price you pay when it comes to building a brand. And if you don't do it, then you don't even have a chance. It's like you either go out there and you build the brand from scratch, you go out there, you take the risk, and you say, this is what I want to do, or you don't. And so when I talk about getting paid to walk, it makes it sound super easy, sound superficial. It talks, you know, like I'm getting paid right now to take a walk, talking to you guys about this stuff. The only reason is because enough of you guys are interested in this topic that I can make a video on it and you guys will respond mostly positively. Like mostly, you know, a lot of you guys watching this, but this gets 10 or 20 likes or even 100 likes. A lot of you guys are going to respond positively to this type of content. Here's the thing. Most of you guys will not take action, and myself included. Like if I watch a video, a lot of times I'll just watch the video, but am I really going to take action? Maybe not. Like maybe I'm not going to do anything about it. And maybe you're just going to watch this video and kind of like go on to the next one and forget all about me. Maybe you have no idea who I am and you're just coming across my channel, and that's fine. But like the thing is, think about who you are, think about what you're trying to accomplish, think about what your goals are, and ultimately realize that you can watch all the videos you want. I can watch all the videos I want, but it comes down to action. You know, and that's why a lot of my videos are less than 10 minutes, because I think it comes down to getting the point across. And ultimately, if you want to, you know, achieve something, it comes down to action. And that's something I'm learning every single day, you know, is coming down to how bad do you want it? And ultimately, are you willing to sacrifice what it takes to, you know, spend the 3 to 4 hour blocks of time per day that it takes to edit videos, make videos, and not only that, but build a product, build a service, build something that people are, you know, that they find valuable. Are you willing to put in the work, even on your days off, that you don't feel like it, you don't feel like waking up, you don't feel like going to the gym, you don't feel like, you know, building the app, building the website, building the structure, the things that you need to do to achieve the things that you're willing to, you know, that will make your life better, right? Like, are you willing to do these things? And the question is, a lot of people, you know, a lot of people are not, but that's what can separate you from the competition at the same time. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you all for tuning into this video. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And until next time, we'll see you guys in the next one. Merry Christmas, God bless, and Happy New Year.